Hi, Lynn here with Create Whimsy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a magic circle for crochet. It's used for crocheting a hat from the top down or also for granny squares. What you want to do is take your yarn, have it facing you. I like to be able to wrap it around my fingers twice. Some people do 3 fingers. Some people only do 1 finger. Then what you do is you're going to put your crochet hook under the first yarn. You're going to do a yarn over. You're going to bring it back like that. Then you're going to come back and you're going to do 1 chain stitch in that yarn over. There you go. And there is your magic loop. What you'll do is you'll start crocheting your stitches along this circle. And then when you're done with that first row of stitches inside your circle, you'll just hold it and see how that just closes it up. Then don't end up with a gap or a hole in the middle of your granny square or at the top of your hat.